One of the other interesting things that you learn in grade 10 about factorization or that you encounter is what is known as the sum of two cubes or perfect cubes. I'm not really going to waste your time and belabor this. I'm going to be very straightforward so that we can wrap up this talk. Whenever you've got two cubes and the middle sign or the sign between them is a plus, basically, then just listen carefully. All you've got to do to factorize this is to say, well, the cube root of a cubed is a in this case, and the cube root of b cubed is b. Then the next thing that you've got to do is to square the a, okay? Take the opposite sign, which is negative in this case, multiply a and b, that's a and b, and then square the b, which will be a positive b squared. You are done. I will leave it up to you to actually see if this will take you back to the original problem. FOIL or distribute A accordingly, distribute B accordingly, put together like terms and see if you'll get the original expression. What I'll do next is simply to take you through an example. And you'll notice there's a compound example. Why? Because you are not only going to look at a variable, you also got to consider the coefficient. So this is a sum. This should be, what is the cube root of 8? It's a 2. The cube root of x squared is an x, plus the cube root of 27 is a 3. The next thing that I've got to do is to square the 2x. So 2 squared is 4, x squared is x squared, and I've got to take the opposite sign, okay? So maybe let me put this note here and say opposite signs. Then finally, I've got to take the product. 2x times 3 is a 6x, and then 3 squared is a 9. I'm done. I leave it to you to confirm your suspicions. Moving on, guys, I will challenge you as usual to try these problems here. It's just the sum of cubes. That's it. You're just going to do what I've been doing in the previous two examples. So give it a try and enjoy.